We want peace, we want peace. Come make we shout it out at least. We want peace, we want peace. Say it in the north, south, west or east. For real, the peace for increase. Tell it to your nephew and to your niece. Come make we hug and greet with a kiss. Cause for real, we want more peace. We say we want peace, we don't want no war. Ride pan bike or drive in a car. Tell them man them stop drinking a rum bar. Cause we want peace near and far. Yes, we must love, I no lie. All if them bad mind and ready eye. All them things that we just can't deny. So we can have peace only if we try.
We want peace, we want peace. Tell it to them bad boys and them bad police. Think about the ladies, your mom and your niece. They don't want no trouble, just some love and peace. Why cause others pain? What can you even gain? Damage to the soul, to the group, a source of strain. Give a little smile in the public domain. Positivity, energy to maintain. Like a part of art, pieces of the heart. Balance brings harmony whenever you can start. A massively happily family is right and smart. Subscribe to the vibe that's described in Dave's chart.
We want peace, we want peace. Come make we shout it out at. When we say we want peace, we want peace. Say it in the north, south, west or east. Make we show humility, although we rare. Make we show others that we really care. Look like dog, favor one beer. We still want peace and good cheer. Me say we want peace, we must stop fight. Me say we want peace, we must unite. Me say we want peace in a dark or light. Me say we want peace all if you close tight. Make we praise God all if your hand full of grease. Have your own land or you a pay lease. Come out of that and come in a these. Cause we want peace and enough nice knees. We want peace, we want peace. Come make we shout it out at least. We want peace, we want peace. Say it in the north, south, west or east. We want peace, we want peace. Come make we shout it out at least.